So today we are going to discuss about prompt engineering for chatbots. How we can design the prompt or create the set of instruction if you want to chat with websites or any PDF data. Okay, that we are going to discuss in today's topic. If you're before that, if you're watching my channel first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's discuss about prompt engineering. First of all, what is prompt engineering? Okay, prompt engineering is nothing but it's a set of instruction or we can say crafting prompts to effectively guide the AI models. That is the LLM, like suppose say OpenAI model or any GPT model or Gemini model, Google model. There are a lot of many LLM models are available, right? If you want to guide the model or how you want to behave your chatbot, basically that's requires a crucial part of prompt engineering. Okay, what is the importance of prompt engineering? It will help you to enhance the performance and also the accuracy of your AI model or the response output. Okay, and where we can use the prompt engineering, it uses in lot many areas. Okay, if you want to create any chatbots, if you want to act as a to content generation or music generation or video generation, whatever it is, or sentiment analysis, lot many use cases are available for if you want to perform anything with LLM. Basically, we need to do prompt engineering. Okay, next is understanding of chatbots. Okay, what is chatbot? Chatbot is nothing but the AI system. Basically, it's designed for human and machine interactions. Whatever you ask to the chatbot, it will do the conversations and like a human, like how two friends are talking and making the conversations. Similar to that, we can talk to the AI system. That is basically a chatbot. Okay, what are the types of chatbots available? There are plenty of types available. Here I have listed few. One is rule-based system, and another one is AI-driven chatbots, and the third one is hybrid chatbot. Hybrid chatbot is nothing but it will do both semantic and also a vector-based. That is the embedding-based search. It combining both semantic and vector-based to give you the accurate response. That is the hybrid search. Okay, hybrid chatbots. How we can replace the use cases using chatbots? We can use it for customer service, or if you want to do any information retrieval or RAG, that also we can do. If you want to chat with any PDF data or any document data or any website data, we can use it for information retrieval, right? Information where it is present in the lot of data. So let's say suppose you have a 20K of websites and PDF. It's very hard to find the informations that you are looking, right? For that, we can use chatbots. That is the LLM based chatbots. What it will do is it will retrieve the information and then it will do the ranking based on the ranking of the top retrieval document. It try to generate the answer based on your query or questions you ask to the chatbot. Okay. And another use case is virtual assistants. Next, we are going to see about prompt engineering for chatbots. As I said before, prompt engineering is nothing but crafting a inputs or set of instructions that it will guide the chatbot or the AI model to generate the response. How you want to act as a chatbot. Okay, basically how it works. Basically, what it will do is it will involve context settings or few short learnings, or if you want to add any constraints, that also you can add in the prompt instructions or the base prompt. Okay, and what are the key techniques? We have to use a clear instructions that how the model can understand. Okay, and the contextual clues. If you want to perform any math logic or if you want to perform any table data extraction, for that also we have to give the right instruction to understand the clues, right, based on the user query, and it has to fetch for query and the generating response. The main source is the prompt engineering. Okay, to iteratively we can refine the prompts whenever we need to change the prompt, or if you want to feel any instruction is not working properly, we can update that prompt. All the things, the main core is the prompt engineering for all the LLM models. Okay, next we are going to see about chatting with websites and PDF data. What we can do, there are a lot of techniques to scrape the data and utilize that data in your chatbots. Okay, whenever you ask a question, it will try to fetch the answer from the existing or your provided websites and PDF. Okay, based on that, LLM can process and extract the text from websites and PDF, and then it will give you the generated answers from the LLM based on your question. Okay, next we are going to see about what are the challenges and best practices we can see in the chatbots. Okay, there are common challenges like how we going to handle the unstructured data or maintaining a context and ensuring the accuracy of LLM generated output. For handling the unstructured data, if your data set is not structurally properly created, we have to do the unstructured data to structured data, that we have to do the pre-processing and then make a mapping and store your data sets in a proper way. That will help you to improve your performance or the accuracy of the LLM generated output. Okay. And also websites and all, if you are working in a client project, the websites, we are not sure, right, when they are going to update the websites. Let's say suppose the company websites, the main page and all, they will update daily basis or monthly basis or weekly basis, right? So for getting the up to date information, that also we have to make sure that right information or we are giving to the LLM model. Okay. As I said, there are a lot of tools and frameworks are available for publicly available popular tools like Beautiful Soup, Pioneer PDF, and NLP. Also, LangChain. LangChain, it's a really a good open source framework. You can go and try. Okay, I will provide you the link in my descriptions. Okay, conclusion of today's video. Let's recap what we have discussed today. Basically, we have discussed about the prompt engineering. As I said, prompt engineering is crucial for optimizing the performance of any LLM based chatbots. Okay, especially when interacting with diverse or huge amount of data sources, and for continuous advancements, and also making the chatbot further improvement like the capabilities and also the application of chatbots, we have to make sure the prompt engineering we have designed or the set of instructions or any few shots, the constraints, all the things are we have added properly, and also learn how we can create the the prompt engineering. And I hope you get an idea why the prompt engineering is important for any LLM based chatbots. Okay. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Whenever I upload a video, you can watch directly. Okay. It will give you the notification, and also share it to your friends who actually want to learn about the AI. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.